Stacey Abrams visited Central Georgia today. She hosted a news event outside Atrium Health Navicent. The Democratic candidate for governor made her case for expanding Medicaid and blamed Governor Kemp for an Atlanta hospital's upcoming closure.
Anthony Montalto joins us live in studio to break down more of what Abrams had to say.
Well, Abrams made her point known from the start of the news conference. She told me her day started at Grady Hospital in Atlanta, and then she drove to Daisy Park in downtown Macon near Atrium Health Navicent. She says she wanted to highlight the distance between two of their remaining level 1 trauma centers on Georgia's I-75 corridor.
This could be an hour and a half to a 3-hour drive when often minutes determine life or death.
It's this drive Stacey Abrams is talking about, from Grady Hospital in Atlanta to Atrium Health Navicent in downtown Macon. Come November 1st, Atlanta Medical Center will close, leaving Grady as the only level 1 trauma center in Atlanta. If they're full, the next option right here in Central Georgia at Atrium.
The closure of the Atlanta Medical Center is not simply an Atlanta issue. This is a Macon issue. This is a Middle Georgia issue. This is a Georgia crisis.
Abrams says that can be dangerous for anyone needing immediate trauma services like stroke or gunshot victims.
Grady has been overcrowded and severe and on diversion nearly every day for some reason over the last few years.
That overcrowding, she says, can place additional pressure on Central Georgia. It's something Atrium Health Navicent is already preparing for. In a statement Thursday, the hospital told 13 WMAZ they're working with their team on procedures for potential higher patient volumes. They also say they'll make sure doctors have all the resources they need in that event. But Abrams says it's something that shouldn't need to happen.
We know that Wellstar has said that they could not have saved the hospital simply this year with Medicaid, but what they did not say was it wouldn't have helped. What we know is that this is a cumulative issue.
Abrams says her stance on expanding Medicaid may not have been enough to save Atlanta Medical Center, but she says over time it could have made a difference. She also addressed how Medicaid may help bring more doctors and nurses to Georgia. Abrams says it would create more opportunities for people to be insured and more opportunities for doctors to get paid for their work. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Anthony. Abrams says her policy would bring billions to the state, helping hospitals stay open and keeping healthcare workers close to home.
Governor Kemp's campaign sent a response to Abrams' visit to us, reading in part, Wellstar has been abundantly clear that Medicaid expansion would not have prevented the AMC closure. But that does not fit Stacey Abrams' political narrative.